Welcome back to B for Crypto, and yes, we're going to the moon, only up from here. Guys, we're going to look at the charts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to find out, are we going to see a massive pump even higher, or are we going to see a consolidation, and are we going to see some major resistance in these areas? Guys, we're going to look at Bitcoin and also Ethereum. So guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, make sure to sign up with my BitGet link to receive a massive deposit bonus. And guys, make sure to be in my free Telegram group so that you can copy all of my trades. So let's go over to the daily chart of Bitcoin. We're going to find out at which levels are we at the moment. And first of all, we're going to see that Bitcoin pumped all the way to the levels of 17,557. So what could we expect? So first of all, we're going to draw the Fibonacci retracement level all the way from the swing high towards the swing low. And then we can see that yes, we haven't reached the 61.8 yet. But guys, I think we're at least going to retest the 61.8 before we're going to see a consolidation or even a retracement towards these areas. Because guys, we saw that we pumped all the way from the levels of 16,500 US dollars and nothing can go up in a straight line. So we should expect that we're going to see a consolidation and a retracement, maybe even down to the levels of 17,200 US dollars. But guys, at the moment, I think that we are at least going to retest the 61.8 and maybe the 100 moving average on the daily chart for Bitcoin. So guys, at the moment it looks quite bullish for Bitcoin, but if we're going to zoom out, we can see yes, this looks even better, because guys, we can see that we formed this W exactly in these areas where we also saw this breakout towards the upside. And guys, I think that we have reached our price target. So let's look at the measured move all the way from the top towards the bottom from this W, and then we take it to the breakout point, and then we can see no, our price target would be exactly the 61.8 Fibonacci level. So guys, we could expect that we are at least going to retest the 61.8. But guys, if we look at the bigger picture, we can see that yes, we are forming a massive W on the daily chart. And yes, the breakout point would be exactly here at the 100 moving average. But guys, let's look at the price target if we're going to see this breakout towards the upside from this W formation. And then we're going to drag it all the way to the potential breakout point exactly towards this neckline that we have, because here we can see that exactly in this horizontal level we have the neckline of this W. So we should take our measured move all the way from the breakout point, and then we can see yes, our price target would be here at 20,600 US dollars. And as you guys can see here, we also have the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So this should be our first target if we're going to break out from this W and even from this massive downward sloping trend that we are going to break at the level of 18,700 US dollars for Bitcoin. But guys, overall it looks quite bullish. So maybe we're going to reach our price target of 20,600 US dollars, because guys, if we go to the left side, we can see yes, this would be exactly the point where we saw this massive FTX crash. So guys, here's a lot of resistance. So maybe this is going to be our price target, and then we're going to see a consolidation in the areas back above 20,000 US dollars. So guys, if you like all of this information, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe and activate the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. And guys, we're going to go over to Ethereum, but before we're going to do that, go over to cryptoclothing.com over on Instagram, and there you find this fresh crypto clothing and this shirt, I told you so. Make sure to follow them over on Instagram. And by the way, if you're over on Instagram, go check out my profile, because there you also get notified once I upload a new video. So guys, make sure to follow me over on Instagram. And now let's go over to the charts of Ethereum. So guys, on the charts for Ethereum, we can see that yes, we are forming the same W as for Bitcoin. But guys, as you can see, we are already directly at the breakout point, so exactly at the neckline from this W. And you can also see that we have our resistance line exactly at this level of 1,354 US dollars for Ethereum. So guys, if we're going to break out from this big W on the daily chart for Ethereum, we're going to drag it from the neckline all the way down to the support and this trend line. And then we're going to drag it over to the potential breakout point exactly towards the breakout point. And then we can see that our price target exactly at the $1,600 for Ethereum. So guys, this would be our price target. But guys, do I think that we're going to see a retracement before we're going to see this breakout? No, I think that we're going to at least come up to this resistance area at this downward sloping trend exactly at the levels of 1,395. So let's say exactly at $1,400. So guys, we could expect that we're going to see one last push towards these areas, and then we're going to most probably find this line as support before we're going to see the next breakout from this downward sloping trend. And guys, then I would expect that we're going to reach our price target of $1,600 because we can see that we have a lot of resistance in these areas. So guys, this is my take on Ethereum in the immediate short term. But guys, let's go over to the 4-hour chart of Ethereum, and then we can see, yes, we had this trade over on Ethereum and we are so close to taking profit. But guys, I told you in these areas that you should take something off the table, and guys, pull your stop loss all the way up into your profit so that you'll still be in profit if we're going to see a dump towards the downside. But guys, we are so close to our take profit. Yes, our take profit is at 1,350 for Ethereum. So guys, yes, if you want to close your trade, go ahead. Don't be greedy, and once in a while you have to close the trade before we're going to reach our take profit, because guys, we could see a retracement all the way down to the levels of $1,200. But guys, at the moment I think that we're going to stay in these areas, see a consolidation, and then break even higher towards the level of $1,400 in the immediate short term. But guys, is it the spot to open any trades? No, I would wait until we're going to see a retracement from this extreme high move that we saw in the previous days. So guys, before opening another trade, we must get either a big move towards the upside and a massive rejection where we can open a short position, or we have to see that we're going to consolidate over a period of time until we're going to find the next pattern and the break towards the upside. But guys, I'll keep you updated, and let's go over to Bitcoin to find out what happened to our Bitcoin trade, because we didn't look at that. So guys, over on the chart of Bitcoin, let me just remove all these drawings. On the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, we can see, yes, we got this perfect entry for Bitcoin exactly at the levels of 17,244. And then we saw this massive move towards the upside. And guys, yes, this looks parabolic for Bitcoin. So I would expect that we're going to see one last pump towards the upside, maybe to this resistance area, or even to the psychological level of $18,000. Yes, you heard me right. Maybe we're going to see this massive pump towards the upside, because guys, tomorrow we're going to get the CPI release, and if it's going to be bullish, we could expect this pump towards the upside. But guys, be careful, we could also see a major volatility during the CPI release. So we could see that Bitcoin maybe has a fake out towards the downside, and then we break out towards the upside. But guys, that we have to see what is going to happen from the CPI release. But guys, if you want to stay up to date, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe and activate the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. And if you want to trade all of these moves, make sure to be in my free Telegram group and sign up with my BitGet link to receive a massive deposit bonus. And guys, yes, we are so close to the bottom. We are going to the moon, and dollar cost average into Bitcoin is the best time in your life. So guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.